Google just dropped something insane, and it's about to replace every automation tool you use. No more Zapier, no more Make. This thing automates your entire Google Workspace with actual AI. Let me show you how it works. All right, let's talk about what Google just released. Google Workspace Studio is now live, and it's a game changer. This is Google saying we're taking over automation, and they're doing it from inside Gmail, Google Sheets, Docs, Drive, Calendar, everything you already use. You don't need third-party tools anymore. You don't need to connect a bunch of APIs. You don't need to watch 10-hour tutorials. This is native, this is powerful, and it's available right now. So what is Google Workspace Studio exactly? It's a no-code automation builder. But here's the difference. It's powered by Gemini 3.0 models. That means it's not just moving data around like a robot. It actually understands what you're asking it to do. You can tell it in plain English, hey, when I get a lead email, pull out their name and email, figure out if they're high priority, add them to my spreadsheet, and draft a reply. And it just does it. No setting up triggers, no messing with API keys, no confusion. You describe what you want, it builds it. That's the power of Gemini 3. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below. Now let me show you why this matters for your business. Think about your day right now. How much time do you spend checking emails, moving data from one place to another, updating spreadsheets, scheduling meetings? All of that is gone with flows. Let me give you a real example. Let's say someone fills out a lead form for the AI Profit Boardroom. We want to know who they are. We want to score them. We want to follow up fast. Before flows, you're manually checking the form, copying data, pasting it into a spreadsheet, writing an email, maybe forgetting to do it at all. With flows, it happens automatically. New form submission comes in. Gemini reads it, extracts the name, email, and what they're interested in. It scores them as hot, warm, or cold based on their answers, dumps everything into a Google Sheet, drafts a personalized email reply, and even schedules a follow-up in your calendar. All of that while you sleep. Setup time, 2 minutes. And here's the crazy part. This isn't just for one task. You can build flows for literally anything in your business: client onboarding, invoice tracking, content calendars, support tickets, lead generation, you name it. Google already built over 50 templates, but you can create custom ones too. And because it's Gemini 3, it's smart, it understands context, it can read sentiment, it knows the difference between an urgent client email and spam. Let me give you another example for the AI Profit Boardroom. Say we get a question in our community Gmail account. Someone asks, how do I automate my social media posts? Flows can read that email, understand it's a support question about automation, check if we already have a guide on that topic in Google Drive. If we do, it sends them the link. If we don't, it creates a task for our team to make one, all automatic, no human needed until the actual content creation part. That's how you scale. And real quick, before we go further, if you want to learn how to use Google Workspace automation to save massive amounts of time, check out the AI Profit Boardroom. We show you exactly how to automate emails, data entry, lead management, and client workflows using tools like Gemini in Workspace. No confusing tech speak, just practical automation you can set up today. Link is in the description and comments below. Now, let me show you how to actually use this thing. First, you need access. Log into your Google Workspace account. Go to gemini.google.com, click on Workspace, then click Flows. If you don't see it yet, you might need to enable it through Google Workspace Labs. It's rolling out to everyone in Q1 2026, but early access is available now. Once you're in, you'll see the Flows Builder. There's 2 ways to create a flow. Option 1 is natural language. Just type what you want. For example, when I receive an email with the subject line AI Profit Boardroom Inquiry, extract the sender's info and add it to my lead spreadsheet. Gemini builds the flow for you. Option 2 is drag and drop canvas. You manually connect the apps and actions you want. I recommend starting with natural language. It's faster. And Gemini 3 is really good at understanding what you mean. Let me walk through building a real flow for the AI Profit Boardroom. We're going to automate new member onboarding. Here's what we want. When someone joins our community via a Google form, we want to welcome them via email, add them to our member spreadsheet, and create a task to follow up in 3 days. So I type this into Flows. When a new response comes in on the AI Profit Boardroom, sign up form, send a welcome email to the respondent, add their name and email to the member spreadsheet, and create a task in Google Tasks to follow up in 3 days. Hit enter. Gemini thinks for a second. Then it shows me the flow it built. Trigger is new Google form. response. Action 1 is send email from Gmail. It even drafts a welcome message. Action 2 is add row to Google Sheets. It maps the form fields to the spreadsheet columns. Action 3 is create task in Google Tasks, set for 3 days from now. I review it, looks good, I hit save and activate, done. Now, every time someone signs up, this runs automatically, no more manual work, and here's where it gets even better. You can add conditional logic. Let's say we want to treat high-value leads differently. We can add a condition. If the form response says they're interested in our premium services, send them a different email and notify us on Slack immediately. Flows handles that too. It's like having a smart assistant that never sleeps. Now, at this point, you might be wondering, how is this different from Zapier or Make? Great question. Zapier and Make are great tools, but they're dumb. They just move data from point A to point B. Flows is smart. It uses Gemini 3 to understand context. It can summarize emails, classify intents, make decisions based on what it reads. For example, let's say someone emails asking about joining the AI Profit Boardroom. Zapier would just forward that email to you. Flows can read the email, understand they're interested, check if they're already in your system, draft a personalized response based on their question, and send it. That's the difference. Gemini 3 is doing actual AI work, not just data shuffling. Plus, it's native to Google Workspace, which means it's faster, more secure, and doesn't need a bunch of API connections. All right, let me give you some killer use cases. Use case 1 is lead scoring and routing. Any business that gets leads via forms or email needs this. Flows scores them, organizes them, and notifies the sales team. Use case 2 is client onboarding. When someone signs a contract, Flows sends welcome emails, creates project folders in Drive, adds them to tracking sheets, and schedules kickoff calls. Use case 3 is expense tracking. Every time an invoice or receipt hits your Gmail, Flows extracts the details and logs them in a Google Sheet. Instant bookkeeping. Use case 4 is content calendar automation. Flows can track your publishing schedule, remind you when content is due, and even pull analytics from other tools into a master sheet. Use case 5 is customer support, route support tickets based on keywords, send auto replies for common questions, and escalate urgent issues to your team. All of these are real problems businesses face every day, and you can solve them in minutes with Flows. Now, let me tell you the mistakes to avoid. Mistake number 1 is overbuilding. Don't try to automate everything at once. Pick one task, one pain point, build a flow for that, test it, then move to the next. Mistake number 2 is ignoring the human in the loop. Some things should have human oversight, like sending emails to important clients, add approval steps where needed. Mistake number 3 is not documenting your flows. When you build something, write down what it does and how it works. Future, you will thank you. Mistake number 4 is forgetting to test. Always test your flows with real data before you go live. Make sure they actually work the way you think they do. All right, here's your action plan. Step 1, get access. Sign up for Google Workspace if you don't have it. Add the Gemini Advanced subscription. Step 2, pick one task. What's eating up your time every day? Start there. Step 3, build your first flow. Use the templates if you need to, or just describe what you want in natural language. Step 4, test it. Make sure it works. Tweak it if needed. Step 5, scale it. Once you've got one flow running smoothly, build more. Automate everything you can. Here's the thing, AI automation is not slowing down, it's speeding up. The people who adopt this stuff early are the ones who win big. And Gemini Flows is one of the easiest, most powerful tools you can use right now. So don't sleep on this. Get in now, build your flows, automate your business, offer it to clients. This is how you stay ahead in 2026. And if you want step-by-step help with this, if you want the exact prompts, templates, and strategies we use in the AI Profit Boardroom to automate everything, you need to check it out. We've got full breakdowns on how to set up flows for lead gen, client management, content creation, all of it. Plus, you'll join a community of people who are actually doing this, not just talking about it. You'll see what's working, what's not, and you'll get real feedback on your setups. The link is in the description and in the comments. Seriously, if you're trying to grow your business with AI, this is where you need to be. We're helping people save 10, 20, 30 hours a week with automation. And if you want the full process, SLPs, and 100 plus AI use cases like this one, join the AI Success Lab. Links in the comments and description. You'll get all the video notes from there, plus access to our community of 38,000 members who are crushing it with AI.